In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find and copy your Roblox Game Pass links step by step. Whether you want to share your Game Pass with players, friends, or use it in your game description, this is the easiest method. First, head over to roblox.com and log into your account. Now the next step is where most beginners get confused. Once you're logged in, come up to the top and click on Create. This will take you directly to your Creator Hub. From the left-hand menu, click on Creations. Now select the experience that contains the Game Pass you want the link for. And now we're getting to the important part. On the left-hand side, scroll down to the monetization section. Then click on Passes. This is where all your Game Passes are stored. Find the Game Pass you want to link. Now on the right-hand side, you'll see something called Pass ID. Hover over it and click to copy the ID. Next, open a new browser tab and type roblox.com/game-pass. Then paste your Pass ID directly after the slash. Press Enter, and just like that, Roblox will take you directly to your Game Pass page. Now simply copy the web address at the top, and that's your direct Game Pass link. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.